A footprint, while similar in function to the other Lifeline devices, is entirely portable and will work anywhere with a UK or EU mobile signal. To activate it, press the SOS button firmly and hold for just a moment. You'll feel it vibrate and bleep. A control operator will answer your call as soon as they can. It's worth remembering, however, that whilst its battery life will optimally last for approximately 20 hours, areas with a poor reception are likely to drain the unit faster, as it will be constantly searching for a clear signal. This is one of the reasons why it's important to remember to put the unit on charge. Putting the unit in the docking station overnight won't do it any harm, and at least that way you'll know it's fully charged. Just slot it into the docking station provided as shown. When you feel it vibrate and see a blue LED light come on, you'll know it's charging. If you're unable to access the station for whatever reason to charge your footprint, you can charge it with a micro USB by opening the tab on the side. Micro USBs are universal, so you don't need a special one to charge it. One from an Android phone, for example, will do the trick.